here we are. Now it's Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon, I guess, actually. Back over here on the sewer main job. Yeah, we got a little rain and a little storm last night, so I didn't have a ton I was coming over here to do. I'm actually trying to make my way through the mud here, but well, we got this excavator. I think it's going back first thing Monday morning with this hammer. I'm sure the wind is lovely in the camera, but the dump truck guy asked if I could just break some of this stuff up. I had that hammer here so we're not tearing up the beds of the truck. So yeah, as you can tell, there's water standing everywhere and it is nasty over here. So I was gonna try to come back and do a little more rough grading and clean up some of this trash and take to the dumpster and stuff, but yeah, we're just gonna do a little hammering here for a little while this afternoon. Gotta be home at that 6:30 so I can live stream with Jason Works a lot, which is always a good time on Saturday night. But yeah, we'll jump in here. If I don't sink, trying to walk over the machine, and we'll try to get a little bit of video. It's, running the hammer is always boring, but we'll see if we can't break some of this crap up, or we can load it up. Maybe Monday if it dries up, someone gets it back over here. So we'll get to it. And here we are. Got all that busted up small enough. I think it'll fit in the truck just fine, not damage the tailgate or the bed or anything like that. I think most of his trucks have those liners in there, so what I'll do, we'll just load up some of this junk. It's got the smaller rocks in it, kind of pad the bottom of it, then we'll just put a little bit in each truck and get it out of here. But yeah, that'll definitely work. That's about I think only the second time I ran a hammer on an excavator, and yeah, it's not something that I care to do day in and day out. So those people that have to, I feel for you. I know, like Mule's Foot Construction and Jared Ellis get to do that a lot, but yeah, we'll just let them keep doing it, and hopefully I won't have to do that too. I mean, it's not bad. It gets old in a hurry. And I guess I should point out, for LSD logging, I gotta sit there and go tink, 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 tink for 2.5 hours today. So there you go, buddy. That's gonna work for tonight. I get home and jump on the live stream with Jason Workslot in about an hour. So we'll see you guys then.